Yo, what's going on, everybody? I want to come back out here and do a real quick short video on the price charts, do an update with you guys real quick. We see some bullish price movement in the Bitcoin price charts, and as well as XRP and some other cryptos. Chainlink has soared straight up to $18. It's an important time. I wanted to go over that and go over it with you guys, show you some things that I'm noticing, what to look out for, and my perspective, not financial advice, just showing you guys some importance that I see playing out in the markets right now. But all that being said, we'll go ahead and make my display clear for you guys, and we'll pull up. First, we'll pull up the Bitcoin price chart, because again, like I said, we see Bitcoin has shot straight to right under 40K, you guys. Boom, boom. 1 second. And as we look at it, we see we've got a clear breakout of this trend line that I've just thrown up there. Nothing special. Just we can't really judge anything off trend lines, but we see that this RSI, this relative strength index, we were talking about. I don't know. I was trying to talk about in the video. I didn't realize that they got cut off before, but it got cut off during some numerology last night. When I was saying numbers mean things, they really do. We saw yesterday was a date numerology of 7 plus 24 plus 20 plus 21 gives us 72. Bitcoin equals 72. We're seeing bullish price movement. We know this is the 29th week of the year, heading into the 30th week of the year. 720. That night we saw Bitcoin hit its low at 29.29 during the 29th week of the year. Numbers do mean things. I was looking for a great breakout of the $36,000 Bitcoin level, and we see we've cleared that and shot straight $3,000 past it. Yes, we're getting some sell-off pressure right now, a wick coming in, but BTC and numerology equals 36. Like these matters mean things. The other night we saw a bullish close for Bitcoin. I mean, no wick on this candle body, a full just straight phallus of Osiris right here, straight up, like somebody took that little blue pill or some, all I'm getting at is yesterday the mirror of 72 is 27. We know Ripple equals 27. I think was this week, next week are going to be two very volatile, important weeks in cryptocurrency to watch out for, that are going to lead us into September for what I believe will be our blow off top around, my prediction is the 28th or the 16th, 6th of September to the 16th, and I'll show you why in a minute. Again, Monday we saw the low of Bitcoin had a numerology date of 68. The mirror of 68 is 86. Ripple equals 86 in numerology. All these things mean things. When we put that in the calculator, 7, 20, 20, 21, it equaled 14. XRP equals 14. Stellar equals 14. XLM equals 14. Very important. I think these two are about to erupt with XDC as well. We know we're coming up on Leo, the zodiac sign of the lion. The lion equals 23, 58, 22. XRP equals 23, 58, 22. Leo equals 14 and 15. XRP equals 14 and 15. Very, very important. We know, again, everything's looking great on the Bitcoin price chart. Be looking for a test of the backside of this trend line for support and a continuation. Same with the RSI. We've shot pretty parabolic. Be looking for a retest of these. As we go to the XRP price chart, I'll show you what some of these things mean that I'm talking about in numerology and how I use them to help me understand, upperstand the markets in a very exoteric sort of way. Boom, boom, boom. We see a lot of big things going on right here, and I'll talk about them in a minute. We'll go ahead and just pop this up real quick. What was I saying? We saw XRP heading out of the 14th into the 15th week is when we saw our bullish price movement towards $1.96. At the top, we saw that was a date April 14th, XRP equals 14, important, okay, to when we got our bottom on the 22nd, or 22nd and 23rd of May, XRP equals 22. We saw the bottom at 51 cent on a date numerology with 51. XRP equals 15. The mirror as above, so below of 51 on June 22nd. XRP is a super match for the number 22. Jesuits equal 22 because they run everything. We see from, let's measure this out, from this low right here on the May 23rd, 22nd low to this low right here on the night the Phoenix lost and died, and then it rose again for 3 days later, and now we're starting to see a rise. Anyway, XRP is called the Phoenix. We saw it was 58 bars. XRP equals 58. We also see that from our top right here, measured down, to our bottom is 68 days. 86, 68, the mirror of Ripple equals 86. We saw from top to bottom 68 days, the mirror of 86. That's why I'm paying attention to the next 58 days that will take us to September 16th. Okay, watch out for September 6th, a very important date through numerology that I'm looking into. We also see that August comes first, you guys, which I believe will be a very volatile month for the cryptocurrency market, especially our little baby right here, XRP. Okay, we know August 11th, 21 equals 15. 8, 11, 21 in the calculator equals 15. That is during Leo. Leo equals 15. Lion. Okay. Very important. XRP equals 15. They're planning on doing a emergency alert system test on August 11th. Watch out for this date, you guys. I expect it to be big. We know August 1st, 8-1, internationally written 1-8, because America is the only one that doesn't know how to write a date. Okay, well, that reminds us of Venus, you guys. So just keeping that important. 81-18 Venus is symbolic there. We know August 9th equals 22 in numerology. So just some dates that I'm keeping an eye out. And if you do not believe me that they matter, well, let me show you real quick. Let's go back in history, and I'm going to show you the day we started our parabolic run in 2017, 2018, when XRP, returned the highest return on income in the cryptocurrency market for the second time running. We saw this on, we saw it December 11th, 2017. It's a date numerology with 14. We see the top right here on January 18th. Just go and do your research on these dates and see what you find. I just think it's very symbolic to understanding these markets. I found some pretty interesting things when I did that. So again, we're seeing this. We're finally back above the median on these Bollinger Bands, you guys, and we're confirmed above it. We've got a daily close. It looks like as a test, another daily close, testing this median as support and a clear breakout towards the top of this Bollinger Band. As we pull up the super trend, we're still red on the super trend. All these indicators are lagging indicators, so remember that. So I'm still keeping an eye on that and watching for it to flip green. The 200-day EMA essential moving average, it's still right there, chilling, hanging out, at roughly 89 cents. So we're just seeing, a potential breakout towards 86 cents. Ripple equals 86 to retest this trend line and get back above that I've had drawn on my channel for months, for the whole year. The 21-day, we've got what looks to be a test of, and then a breakout. And we need to close tomorrow, the 26th candle above this 21-day essential movement average to for me to remain bullish and confirm bullish. And I would love to see a breakout of 72 cents for XRP, a breakout above this 55 essential movement average right here, for me to really be bullish. So we see the 72 numerology date yesterday. None of this is surprising, you guys. It all matters. It all means things. Remember that. Blow your fucking socks off later. In a video that'll probably get me banned. So remember that. I might be gone. We see there's some volume coming in. We chilled out for a few days. We got pretty volatile there after the Phoenix died on to the Bucks for the buck moon 3 days later. Remember, I've always said around a full moon we could be 3 to 5 days before bearish, 3 to 5 days after bearish. So watch out. Okay, we could take a dump here and retest. We know that the Chicago Mercantile Exchange opened up tonight, and they usually bring us back to where they were when they closed. So we'll see what happens. So pay attention to Bitcoin for a retest of some of them previous levels and treat them as support, confirm them as support. It'd be healthy for the entire cryptocurrency market. So none of this is surprising that 3 days before our buck moon, our full moon, we have bearishness in the markets. We have a dump, a sell-off, a liquidation. None of this is surprising. So we're coming up on our new moon, where I expect August 8th, August 9th to be very, very volatile. Could we get a pump towards the end and a dump? We'll just have to see. Not financial advice, just throwing that out there. Boom, 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 boom. Well, with all that being said, you guys, I think that is it. Pay attention to what's going on. We'll zoom out a minute. We see a breakout of this previous trend line that you guys remember me putting on my channel when we were setting lower highs and lower lows on the RSI, the relative strength index. We broke out of that. Boom. Confirmed a back test of that. And now we seem to be breaking this other trend line I drew just because, to play around. It seems to be, doing good things. Our MACD is still showing bullish histograms. Confirmed test of the signal line with the MACD. We've got bullish histograms. There was a few day period, what was it? 7 day period, where we, it flipped the signal. Again, we were able to reverse it, go back bullish. So we're keeping an eye on the market. Very important to pay attention. I do feel like we are coming up within 4 to 6 to 8 weeks of being parabolic and into price discovery for the entire cryptocurrency market. Maybe it takes a little longer. Will we see a black swan event that pulls cryptocurrencies and precious metals back down now that they start to take off again? We'll just have to pay attention and see. But I do expect to see the end of this bull market very soon. And if you're not prepared and you do not dollar cost average out of this market like you got in it, then you will be wrecked and entering into a 4-year-long bear market where you will see 70 to 90% of your portfolios depreciate quickly. With all that being said, take care. God bless. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for this bullish video. And if you're not ready for a gut check around this mass genocide push in our nation, around the world, then you might not want to tune into this next one. We'll see you guys. And if I make it after this video that I'm about to drop, well, I'll see you then too. Take care and God bless you guys.